好，直到而家我哋學咗兩個 tenses 啦，一個係 simple present 啦 ，simple present 啦，一個咧係咧 present continuous 啦，另外一個咧係叫 present continuous 啦，現在進行時啦，simple present 現在呢個簡單現在咧，或者一般現在啦。OK，simple present 咧，我哋學過咧有三個情況係用嘅 facts 啦，facts 啦，仲有咧呢個 truth 啦，仲有咧 habits 習慣啦。OK，present continuous 咧係兩個情況用啦，就係咧我哋而家呢一刻做緊嘅嘢 ，at the time of speaking，at the time of speaking 做緊嘅嘢。另一個咧就係咧 around the time of speaking 啦，喺而家呢一排做緊嘅嘢，咁就係 present continuous 啦。我哋今次咧最主要咧講呢個 present continuous 一啲嘅特例嘅一個特別嘅情況嘅。我哋講過咧 present continuous 兩個情況啦，第一個情況就係咧而家呢一刻做緊嘅嘢，現在呢一刻做緊嘅嘢。第二個情況咧係而家呢一排做緊嘢 ，around the time of speaking。OK， 咁我哋睇睇咧，嗱一般嚟講啦，如果而家呢一刻做緊嘅嘢，或者而家呢一排做緊嘅嘢咧，我哋都會用 present continuous 嘅。咁換句話説咧，即係 verb to be 啦，一個 verb to be plus 一個 ing form 啦，一個咧 ing 造成動詞加 ing 造成一個形態咧，就成為咧一個動詞嘅組合啦。呢個咧我哋叫 verb group 一個動詞嘅組合。OK， 咁但係咧，一般嚟講係咁，但係咧有啲特例嘅特別嘅情況嘅。我哋而家就介紹一下呢啲咁嘅特別嘅情況。呢啲咁嘅情況咧，我哋有個名俾佢嘅。呢啲動詞咧，如果我哋凡親見到呢啲動詞咧，多數嘅情況咧，我哋就唔會用 present continuous tense 嘅，即使佢係而家發生緊嘅，你感覺到佢呢啲字咧叫做 stative verbs 或者叫做 non-action verbs，non-action verbs 即係非行為動詞或者狀態動詞啦。state 咧 stative 咧係出自呢個字嘅 state 一個狀態，即係換句話説咧，呢啲等等嘅動詞咧係描述一個狀態嘅，唔係咧一個真係做緊嘅行為嚟嘅。即使你感覺佢係而家發生緊，我哋睇睇啲例子啊，一啲常用嘅例子 common examples，睇睇啲例子我哋常用嘅我哋咧呢以下咧就係有一句咁嘅句子。如果我哋話我識得Mr. Williams 嘅，我識得阿 Williams 先生嘅，我哋點講咧？我哋都知道有個動詞係叫做 know 啦，認識啦，識得佢啦。咁我哋可唔可以用 am knowing 咧？喺呢個情況咧，因為 know 咧係一個狀態嚟嘅，我哋唔會話認識緊嘅。你認識某人就認識，唔認識就唔認識，唔會認識緊嘅。咁因此咧，我哋話呢一句咧係錯嘅。我哋即使你感覺係而家發生緊嘅話咧，呢句咧都唔得嘅，唔可以咧嗰個動詞咧唔可以咁樣用嘅，相反咧，我哋睇翻呢句 I know Mr. Williams。呢啲咧都係講緊而家發生緊嘅嘢，不過呢個動詞之下咧 know 呢個動詞由於佢係 stative verbs， 佢係一個狀態嘅動詞，我哋就唔會用present continuous tense 嘅啦，我哋都用翻 simple present 嗰個 form。simple present 一般現在時嘅 form， 咁所以咧 I know Mr. Williams，